Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, right? The Q1000 and the Genesis E-325S. Quite a difference, huh?
Yeah, definitely. The Q1000 is like super portable. I see it's only 27.5 pounds. Perfect for tailgating or camping. And it runs on those little propane cylinders.
Exactly. It's got one stainless steel burner putting out 8,500 BTUs. The cooking area is small, just 189 square inches. But for a small group, that's plenty. It uses liquid propane.
Okay, that's small. The Genesis E-325S, though, that's a whole different beast. It's a natural gas grill, so you need that connection. Dimensions are much bigger at 35.5 dx 30.75 wx 31 inches h.
Right, it's designed for a backyard setup. I see it has an extra large prep and serve table. Very handy. How many burners does it have?
It's got 3 main burners. I don't see the BTU output listed directly, but I bet it's significantly higher than the Q1000, given it's a much larger grill. It also has an expandable top cooking grate.
So the Q1000 has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. Seems pretty durable for its size.
The Genesis uses alloy steel and cast iron for the frame. Sounds sturdy too. And it's part of the Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection, which means you can swap out the grates for different cooking surfaces.
Oh, that's cool. So if you want versatility and something permanent, the Genesis wins. But the Q1000 is all about portability and simplicity. What about reviews?
The Q1000 has a ton of reviews, over 4,500, and a 4.7 rating. People seem to love it for its size and even heating. The Genesis has fewer reviews, around 240, but a similar rating, 4.6.
Makes sense. One's been around longer. I guess it really comes down to what you need a grill for. Small cookouts on the go or a full backyard grilling experience?
Precisely. And it looks like the Genesis E-325S is currently unavailable, which is something to keep in mind.
Good point. Availability matters. Thanks for breaking that down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.